You guys heard that new Nissan commercial on the radio? I don't know if it's on TV too, but they talk about how you don't see the engineer slamming the door 13,920 times. Something like that. It's a weird number. I know it was 920 times. I'm not sure if it's 13,000. But why that number? Why not 13,000 even? I wonder if it's because at 13,921 is when the door failed. Yeah, I wonder if that's actually why, if that's an accurate number. That's why they're using that number and it's not just arbitrary. Anyway, I don't know why I thought of that. When you drive in your car all day, you think of dumb shit. Anyway, aloha. Giddy up.